Every FPV pilot knows angle mode, acro mode, and these are the modes everyone is speaking about. But what if I would tell you that there is another secret mode which no one is speaking about? So welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you a secret. Probably not for everyone, but that was sort of like a news for me, even though I'm flying FPV already for 2 years. But I knew that there is this mode, but I never actually tried it. And if you guess, if you know angle mode and acro mode, so do you know the third mode, which literally no one is speaking about, which is called HIRIZON mode? So basically every single FPV quads can fly in 3 modes. I think you could assume maybe a little bit more than that, but 3 main modes, which is angle mode, HIRIZON mode, and acro mode. So there is 3 modes, which basically, as for a beginner to getting in FPV, most of the people is suggesting, oh, you need to fly in angle mode in the beginning, so the drone is stabilizing itself and so on, and it's sort of easier to cruise around. And then there is another side which is telling, yeah, you need to start in acro, which is basically full manual mode, so you are controlling completely drone, everything, how it's moving. So in this video we'll be taking a look on these 3 modes and which one I would suggest for which situation and for which stage of FPV they would be good. And maybe you don't need angle mode, but you can start with HIRIZON mode. So we'll go through the modes and we'll be looking on every single mode separately to see what exactly it's doing, how the drone is acting in that mode, and what you can or can't do with these modes. Angle mode, which is most beginner friendly, and everyone is speaking about this mode, that that should be the mode you should start learning FPV as a thing, because a lot of people are saying that. I have my Meteor 75. We'll switch on the goggles. Basically what angle mode is doing, it will be stabilizing your drone completely from every single angle. So if you want to go, you see, it's completely straight. And why I'm so high? I don't want to fly to the moon. You see, when you release the center stick, it's just leveling itself back. So if you want to go front, you all the time need to hold the stick and turn around. In a moment your stick is going back to center, drone is leveling itself. So this is, from one side, very strange flying mode, which a lot of beginners is starting, but in my opinion that is a little bit trippy mode, because if you want to do the roll, you can't, or if you go all the way straight, it will never flip or roll. It will be always on the level. That's me. I mean, I think I don't know how to fly in angle mode. I mean, but this is basically angle mode. Okay, so now we will switch to air mode. So air mode, as you can see, you are in full control of the drone. So in this mode, you can flip, roll, I mean. You can flip and do all sort of tricks. It's nearly battery ending. So, but for this, you actually need the simulator to actually practice and be flying. And first thing what you would need to do is actually learn to hover in place in acro mode. So this is the air mode. And this should be your goal actually when you are learning. And there is the thing, if you will turn And even though the stick is back, but drone stays in the position you left it. So I think I need to land. So this is acro mode. Okay, I will land. Now I will torture the battery till the end. So that is acro mode. Appa. Here we go. So that was acro mode. And that was as well angle mode. So these are two modes which nearly every single FPV pilot knows and they are speaking about. Angle mode as a thing, you learn flying, slow flying. Let's say a lot of people is using angle mode as well for some indoor flying and so on, because it sort of always will level itself. So when you put the stick till the end, it will not stay like that, because there is the thing. So one more time, angle mode, basically what's happening, the drone will be staying all the time like this. In a moment you put the stick front, it will go in an angle, so you can go forward. In a moment you will release the stick, the drone will level itself again back. And the same exactly on the side. If you put it on the side and hold it, the drone will stop in certain angle and it will continue go like this. It will never roll or flip, because this is the whole point of angle mode. And then there is acro mode, which most of the FPV pilots is flying, and that should be your goal actually, to get good flying in acro mode. And a lot of people as well is telling that, oh, start with the angle mode, with acro mode and just send it. But in the same time, for the beginner who is just now starting to fly, that is a little bit, in my opinion, a little bit way too overwhelming, because in a moment you start to flip and roll and this and everything is turning around. I had my friend who started getting in FPV, and he can't even watch a video where I'm doing just a rolls, because his brain is just not there yet. That's why a lot of people is starting with angle mode, which is basically holding your horizon and you can fly front, back, turn and this and that. So my drone is still plugged in, so the battery probably now is dead. And now the mode which I was speaking about, and all this video is actually about that, HIRIZON mode. So basically how you can access it, exactly the same way as when you are setting up your controller in Betafly. So you need to go in the tab of modes. There you will see angle mode, and after that will be HIRIZON mode. So you need to assign it for a switch or button of your controller, and then you will be able to access it. Because most of the, let's say, even bind and flying drones, they are coming without that set it up. So it's always angle and most cases angle and acro mode. So now we'll be taking a look on HIRIZON mode. Basically, what is HIRIZON mode? HIRIZON mode is sort of in between angle mode and acro mode. So in HIRIZON mode, your stick is close to the center. It will actually still level itself. But in a moment you will do full stick on another side, or front or back, it will actually allow you to do the roll, flip and some part of the tricks. But even then, as on the right side the stick is self-centering, so in a moment, let's say you will put it on a side, you will do the roll, and in a moment you will release it, it will actually level itself back. So that is, in my opinion, very good way to actually start to learn flying FPV. And there is not a lot of pilots speaking about this mode. Anyway, I plugged in the battery. Let's get up in the air and let's take a look what exactly angle mode, HIRIZON mode is all about. As you see, I have on the right side down air mode. So I will switch, and you see HOR, which means HIRIZON mode. So when you get up, I need to fly a little bit because that is overheating a little bit, so I need to fly slightly. And as you see, okay, you go straight, you release the stick, the drone is going back to center, you see? So, but the beauty of horizon mode is this or this. And you see, in a moment you go, if you turn, it will still sort of stay like that, but when you get it more straight, it will level itself again. So, and you can do all sorts of tricks. Let's say exactly that was split S, but in the same time, most of the FPV beginners, when they are starting to fly, they are moving sticks very slowly, go around, you know, and this and that. You are sort of in an angle mode, so you can be flying, learning to fly, and then one moment, hop, you can easily do the trick. You can do as well the split S and start to actually do the rolls. And you see, I left the stick and it's actually staying in a level. If I put it a little bit straight, it goes straight. I release it, it goes back to horizon mode. I mean, sort of like an angle mode. But in the moment, let's say if I do like, oh, nearly crashed. You see, if you go straight, you can actually be flying like proper FPV and do the tricks, at least for the beginning. I mean, that is, in my opinion, amazing. So let's land it. I mean, the battery is already nearly dead. So, hop. That is one of the modes. And especially yesterday I was flying indoors in my apartment, and I enjoyed it. It's way easier to actually learn FPV because you have this possibility to actually try to do the roll or to do the flip, actually go in this kind of orbit and everything. But in the same time, if you panic a little bit, then at least the drone will level itself, and that will be way easier for you to actually learn FPV, I mean, at least in my opinion. So this mode should be as your main flying mode when you are starting to fly FPV, because angle mode, I mean, the movement, how is on the angle mode, is giving you, how to say, a little bit, make you a little bit dizzy maybe, because exactly, in a moment you try to go on the side, the drone actually is going like, and then you release it, it's leveling it up, back, and it's very shaky footage. But with the horizon mode, you actually can, you can turn, and you can start to learn FPV way easier. So here you have, guys. If you didn't know about this mode, leave down in the comments what you think, and will you be trying this mode, and if you knew about it, then reasons why you are not using it. Okay, I'm not speaking about the pilots, which is already flying acro mode with 5-inch and so on. I'm speaking about people who is sort of getting as a beginners in FPV and already maybe flying with some sort of thing. And let's say as a comparison as well, I mean, angle mode, I don't need to compare anything anyway. Thank you for watching. You know what you need to do. Till the next time. Bye.